Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. To the channel, in today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Porsche Cayenne. What we'll show you guys, okay, if your left headlight doesn't work guys, low beams and high beams, not just one of them. I'm talking about both of them, left beams, high beams, but your turn signal light works. We'll show you guys which fuse to check, because this headlight is on one fuse, the other headlight is on another fuse. Now, we guys have more than 200 videos on this Porsche Cayenne guys, more than 200 videos, so please guys subscribe to the channel. Our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free. Those videos will be mostly electrical videos on this channel. If you want to see the mechanical parts, taking the car apart, engine wise, suspension, it will be on our main channels, how to repair guys and world mechanics. Two channels guys, please subscribe. Now let us show you, okay, where the fuse for that headlight is. Okay, for low beam, high beam, we need to open the door, and once you open the door, okay, right here you have one cover. Okay, this cover will need to be removed with a plastic panel tool. Pop it open like that. Okay, you have 5 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 clips. Those 5 clips, guys, just hold that cap in place. Now, we need to find fuse number 35. Okay, and 35 is the third fuse from left to right. Even if you're missing one, you still count it. 1, 2, 3. That 15 amp fuse. So we'll pull it out, replace it now guys. Let's see if the headlights work now. Okay, don't forget to put your cover on. And low beams work, high beams work. So, thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.